The iPhone 16e is Apple's latest addition to the iPhone 16 lineup, designed to offer premium features at a more affordable price. It features Apple's latest A18 chip, a 48MP Fusion camera system, Apple Intelligence capabilities, and groundbreaking battery life. Here's a detailed breakdown of everything you need to know about the iPhone 16e. Design and display. The iPhone 16e retains the sleek 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display found in other iPhone 16 models. It features an OLED panel with HDR support, delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high brightness for an immersive viewing experience. The ceramic shield front cover makes it tougher than any smartphone glass, enhancing durability. The back glass is also the toughest in any iPhone, making it more resistant to cracks and damage. The phone is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, meaning it can withstand spills, splashes, and submersion in water up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The iPhone 16e comes in two matte finishes, black and white. Performance and hardware. The A18 chip powers the iPhone 16e, offering up to 80% faster performance compared to the A13 Bionic in the iPhone 11. It features a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU, enabling next-level gaming and smooth multitasking. The 16-core neural engine is optimized for AI tasks and machine learning, running large generative models up to 6x faster than older chips. The Apple-designed C1 modem provides power-efficient 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and stable internet speeds. Supports USB-C charging and accessories, aligning with Apple's latest connector standard. It supports wireless charging, including MagSafe and Qi 2 technology for faster and more convenient charging. Apple Intelligence and AI features. iPhone 16e is built for Apple Intelligence, introducing AI-driven features that enhance daily tasks. Cleanup tool, easily remove unwanted objects from photos. Natural language search in Photos, search for pictures and videos using a text description. Image playground, create fun, AI-generated images with themes, costumes, and accessories. Genmoji, design personalized emojis. Writing tools, AI-assisted text enhancement across different apps. Siri improvements, more conversational, understands context between requests, and can answer detailed questions about Apple products. ChatGPT integration, users can access ChatGPT within Siri and writing tools for advanced responses and text generation without needing a separate account. Camera system features a custom 48MP Fusion camera, allowing for detailed and high-resolution photos. The 2-in-1 camera system includes a 2x telephoto lens, giving users optical zoom capabilities without needing a second camera. Night mode enhances low-light photography, making nighttime shots clearer and more detailed. The portrait mode automatically detects subjects and applies professional-level blur effects. The true-depth front-facing camera includes autofocus, enabling sharper selfies and FaceTime calls. 4K Dolby Vision video recording at 60 fps, ensuring cinematic quality videos. Spatial audio recording captures immersive sound for playback on AirPods or surround sound systems. Wind noise reduction improves audio quality by filtering out unwanted background noise in videos. Audio mix feature, adjust the prominence of voice and background noise in recordings. Battery life. The iPhone 16e delivers the best battery life of any 6.1-inch iPhone, lasting 6 hours longer than the iPhone 11. 12 hours longer than all iPhone SE models. The combination of Apple's A18 chip, C1 modem, and iOS 18's power optimizations ensures long-lasting battery life even under heavy use. Supports fast charging, reaching 50% in around 30 minutes with a 20 watts or higher adapter. Connectivity and safety features. Apple continues to push safety and connectivity features with Emergency SOS via satellite, send emergency messages without a cellular network. Roadside assistance via satellite, request roadside help when out of network coverage. Messages via satellite, stay in touch even in remote areas. Find My via satellite, share your location when off the grid. Crash detection, automatically calls emergency services if a severe car crash is detected. Action button and visual intelligence. The action button, introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro models, comes to the iPhone 16e. Can be customized to quickly launch apps, enable accessibility features, or activate shortcuts. Visual intelligence features. Summarize and copy text. Translate between languages. Detect phone numbers and email addresses. Identify plants, animals, and objects. Search Google or use ChatGPT for additional information. iOS 18 and software enhancements. Ships with iOS 18, which introduces customizable home screen, dark and tinted icons, Freeform widget placement. Revamped control center with quick access to system controls and third-party apps. Text effects and messages to add animated effects to texts. RCS support for richer messaging between iPhone and Android users. Scheduled messages to send texts at a later time. Lock and hide apps for additional privacy. Sustainability and environmental efforts. Designed with over 30% recycled materials. 100% recycled cobalt and lithium in the battery. 85% recycled aluminum in the enclosure. 100% fiber-based packaging, eliminating plastic. Part of Apple's 2030 goal to achieve carbon neutrality across all products. Final thoughts. The iPhone 16e offers a powerful mix of cutting-edge technology, AI-powered intelligence, and affordability. With the A18 chip, an improved 48MP camera system, and longer battery life, it brings many of Apple's flagship features to a more accessible price point.